Hey, Callum here with nanoparticles today. Nanobubbles are incredibly small, 10,000 times smaller than the bubbles you see in soda water. Let's dive in.
The kind of bubble that you would see in soda water might be, let's say, a millimeter in diameter. So the nanobubble, the diameter at 100 nanometers is 10,000 times smaller, but that then means that its volume is 1 trillion times smaller than that bubble that you can see in the club soda.
Nanobubbles last a long time in water, which makes them quite useful. These tiny bubbles allow increased amounts of gases to remain in the water. Let's see this next clip.
They last a long time in the water, and so that can then make them really useful. So if I can have that little bubble that wants to stay in the water, that then very much allows increased amounts of gases to be present in the water.
They're pretty amazing entities that you could use in different industries.
Nanobubbles, being so small and lasting so long, offer incredible potential. Thanks for watching.